say is it's a very good day at the Worm. It's hot tub delivery day. Yes, that's a horse trough. But at about 104 degrees after a day of chopping and cutting, it's a beaut. The fun part about being out here is that everything gets carried in or drug.
Done drugged.
And the hot tub is getting drugged.
Done drugged.
We're gonna drug the hot tub? Not again. Are you about done?
Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. And there you have it. Ready to be drugged?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Welcome to camp, my hot tub. So Sarah's first time up here.
I finally made it.
She's been up here once before, just for a day.
Yeah, but it was freezing and
there was nothing here.
there was all snow.
But there were trees.
There were trees.
There were still trees there.
These didn't all just come up since March.
Nope. And I said, you're the guest. What do you want to do while you're here? Quote, shoot stuff and sit in the hot tub.
But we didn't make it to the hot tub. Oh, this time, yeah.
Be still my heart.
Shoot stuff and be in the hot tub, yeah.
So we're gonna drag out the hot tub. We just went and got cinder blocks to set it on, and this is the best spot we could find. The right distance from the water hole, which we'll fill it with. It's exactly 3 hose lengths, so 150 feet from there. I think. Actually, it's gonna be like, if it's 152 feet, it's not gonna work. All right, I'm gonna get the chainsaw. And for the record, Sara painted this guitar.
That's right.
I built it. She painted it.
Don't you forget it.
Decorated it. Ain't it a beaut?
Watch your, I can't see my feet.
Watch your steps. My cat. Hot tub. I think this floor needs a little cleaning before I put my bare ass on it.
You don't like bathing in dirt? It's good for you.
Is it?
It's organic, natural. It's all natural.
Is it non-GMO though?
Good point.
Yeah, see?
Might burn your flesh off.
That's right.
I can't see the marks. Seems a little curious and unstable.
It's surprising once you get it full of water. It's really not.
It sort of stays there.
There it is. To go all the way down our hose line through our mud pits, many mud pits, because we just had a big storm, down to our water pump and our water filler station. Grown in nicely. It's pretty back here in the swamp. Pop a fresh battery in here and we're filling the hot tub. Jiggle. There you go. It's filling.
Yeah, it's
Filling pretty good.
Kind of yellow. Did you pee in there already? Has Tito been through here? I thought he was gone. I don't think polar bears wear sunglasses and sit in inner tubes in the sun. I'm pretty sure they don't like that.
Clearly you know nothing about the sport of extreme hot tubbing in the woods and horse draws.
Clearly not.
62 today, and
Perfect.
max of like 5-mile-an-hour wind, so it should keep most of the heat right in the tub. I might not sound it because I just got up, but I'm actually quite excited.
Ow.
We just keep that going for a couple hours, roaring. So we drug our propane stove out. This is going to be our easy way to heat the tub back up. And this is our creek water from back there that comes out of the 275-gallon tank. It's got a little bit of bleach in it, so it's actually drinkable, but I'm going to put it in there, let it fill up, turn the propane on while we're in the tub. The tub drops under 99 or 98 or whatever is pleasant, we'll just dump a bucket into there and heat it back up. We got another hour or so before the hot tub's up to temperature, and we've got all sorts of lumber bits. So I'm gonna make some steps right here, hopefully get it done before it's time to get naked and get in the hot water.
Yeah.
Who was that? I'm just gonna cut that in half, I think, and put a couple steps right here. What do you know? I guess we'll use lumber and a chainsaw for a chains. Or should we weld it?
Yeah, let's weld it.
Make it out of metal or like concrete or something?
Yeah.
Nah, let's just do chainsaw and lumber
Okay.
this time. Just this once. We decided not to measure, but rather find the middle by weight. We should leave this as a seesaw. You want to try it? We should make a giant seesaw out here.
Oh yeah, that used to be my favorite.
Remember, from the playgrounds, you don't jump off when you're...
Nope. Whee!
Just because it would look cool. Let's hold it underneath, like... Don't you think that'd be kind of rad?
Yep. But it's awful smoky.
Sure is. Try to be fast. Not gonna be perfect, but
That's okay.
it's pretty good.
Yeah, that works.
Pretty good enough. There's a good rock for something. They of course aren't perfect, but there's a way to get into the tub. Making a lid for the hot tub. What were you just saying?
I was just saying.
Keeping it classy here.
Keeping it classy here at Ringworm.
Isn't that such a funny sentence?
Yeah.
Keeping it classy at Ringworm.
Any sentence that has ringworm in it, where you're not referring to a skin
It's
disease,
like
is
keeping it sexy at the dump. should fit right in there
Let's see.
like a coffin lid.
Yeah.
Watch that big log.
I know. I know. Perfect. Well, ringworm perfect. You know.
Which is a step above standard perfect.
Yes.
I think that'll do just fine. Keep the leaves and whatnot out of there. And we got all our smoky firewood taken out. And Smokey the Bear says, what does Smokey the Bear say? He says, that's exactly, he says it's 100.5. And this thing gets pushed down when you sit on it. Oh, it feels so nice in there.
Hot. Almost too hot.
Oh, yeah! It's so good.
That's so good. Good stuff.
It feels good, doesn't it?
It's amazing.
This video is a lie.
Ah, you spoiled it. It's freezing.
We finished the video, and the last shot of us getting in the tub, there were too many private bits
Parts
floating around.
not allowed on YouTube.
So now it's 2 weeks later, and it's 90 degrees out, and it's 70 something in the tub, and we're doing it to cool off.
76, but boy, it feels cold.
It's a chilly 76. But see, it's multiple use. This thing is dynamic.
It really is. It actually has been really nice all weekend because it has been really hot up here, and I'll just come and like dunk my hair in, or just get in all the way and just cool off. It's great.
Yep.
So for year-round
for
use.
$100, you can buy yourself a hot tub. So $100 for the tub, a couple bucks for the cinder blocks, 4 cinder blocks, and Smokey the Bear was $3.
Multi-use hot tub.
And
Hot
and
and
we
cold
built a
tub.
floor out of scrap lumber, but it's just a slatted floor that's you sink down with your butt when you get in. So like under 150 you can have a hot tub and a cold dip because clearly there's no air conditioning out here. So